Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 16th June 2020. We'll see levels for tomorrow, that is 17th June, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and three stocks. One is Tata Motors, Balakrishna Industries, and Radico Khaitan. These three stocks we will discuss how to trade tomorrow. Straight away we'll go to this is the disclaimer. Please go through the disclaimer. This is the Nifty daily chart. Today high volatile. So yesterday we discussed about the range. This range. Today it opened above the range but could not sustain above. It came back and closed again high in the zone, right? It closed almost yesterday open. So tomorrow if the price sustains about 10,020 kind of levels, and tomorrow closing also the same, if it is above 10,000 there could be a high probability of testing higher levels. And at the moment it seems to be, if any buy when the market falls 100 or 200 points, there is a good buying coming and the moving upside. Today also it went like that. So how to trade tomorrow we'll see now on a 15 minutes chart. So this is the 15 minutes chart. This is the levels what we discussed yesterday. Today the price came to our zone and given a decent buying opportunity and bounced to around 9,920 kind of levels. But as per our strategy, we are booked 125 points as profit. So this is the yesterday plan. So today tomorrow I have to this is the plan for today, sorry. So we discussed yesterday, but today's plan, right? So tomorrow how we have to trade? It seems to be a good support is coming here. So 9,800. So we'll shift our entry level to here. So this is my entry. Okay. So 9,800 and keeping a stop loss of only 50 points. Right? 50 points as a stop loss. Or 50, 51, whatever. Right? 50 points stop loss and aim for a target of this higher target. 10,000. So 9,970, 980 kind of levels we can keep as our target. So this target I am moving upside somewhere here. So this is the trade plan for tomorrow. If the market opens gap up and sustain above gap, and we have to observe and trade accordingly. For Bank Nifty, how to trade tomorrow? We'll see Bank Nifty also. This is Bank Nifty daily chart. See, Bank Nifty also same thing. This area is giving decent support. Today also the price came into the zone and bounced almost 500-600 points from this zone. So this zone is giving decent support to the Bank Nifty. So is a range bound only in between 19,600 and 20,700. So 1100 point range is there. This is a big range. So tomorrow also there could be a range bound, or this range may break. If this range breaks, then there could be a good rally in the Bank Nifty. So we have to see how the performance of Bank Nifty tomorrow. On a positional basis we can see, but for tomorrow's trade, how to trade? So this is 15 minutes. Here also today, yesterday we explained and we discussed about these levels and how to trade today. So our entry is 19,650 kind of levels. It tested that level and moved to 20,200. So Bank Nifty also given a decent profit today. So how to trade tomorrow? That we'll see now. I'm just removing all the tools. See, a decent demand area formed here, right? So tomorrow also our entry should be like this. We have to enter somewhere here. So 19. So our entry is 19,820 kind of levels, and keep a stop loss of 100 points. Only 100 points as stop loss, and aim a target of this area. This is a decent move. If the price comes here and bounces, there could be a decent upside movement. It may cross to, it may test this level around 20,440 or 20,400 kind of levels. So we have to observe the price movement and take the action. So this is for Bank Nifty tomorrow only, intraday. Now we'll go and see the stock to trade tomorrow is JSW Steel. So we'll change it to JSW Steel. So this is JSW Steel, 15 minutes, and we'll see on hourly also. See the daily charts. This is the daily chart of JSW Steel. See the price movement slowly moving up. Here the small correction, and this is again going up. So there could be a higher side only, buy on dips. This movement may continue. If you are a positional trader, you can buy somewhere around 184, 85 kind of levels. Keep a stop loss below this candle. That candle low is 175 as a stop loss, and you can aim for a target of this candle high, that's 202 for a positional trade. For intraday trade, we'll see on a 15 minutes candle and see the price action today. Today it went up, back, and tested this gap. So almost fill the gap. After filling the gap, it moved up. So tomorrow we have to concentrate to trade only in this area. If the price comes to around 183, 184 kind of levels, then we can take a entry somewhere here. So 184.50, and keep a strict stop loss below 183, and the bounce may be here. So 191 or 192 kind of levels we can expect. If the price opens above today's high, then we have to wait to settle the price. If continues there on the upside, also we can buy and keeping a stop loss of 0.5% as a stop loss, and we can aim for a decent targets if the price opens above. But this is the best trade plan for tomorrow JSW Steel. Another is Balakrishna Industries. This Balakrishna Industries today, it has given a decent breakout. See this candle, this is the high, this is the high. So 1190 is the high, and then it closed above 1199. So tomorrow we have to buy on dip. If any small correction, that can be bought tomorrow. So where we have to buy, we'll see now. This is the best area to buy, and also we'll see on a 15 minutes we can get a day. See, this is the moment, consolidation and rally. So the area to buy best is here, this area. Balakrishna Industries can be bought around 1170 and 1165 kind of levels, and entry is like this. Okay, somewhere here 1170, and keep a stop below 165. Aim for a target of today's high, 1190. So this is the Balakrishna Industries trade plan for tomorrow. Another one is Tata Motors. Tata Motors. Yeah, Tata Motors is a selling opportunity. This is falling. So tomorrow, is there any bounce to upside? We can go and short. This is the shorting opportunity for the Tata Motors. The entry is simple. Here we can take a short entry and keep a stop above 97, that is 1 rupee only. Take a 1 rupee stop loss and aim for a target of somewhere here, that is around 3 rupees as a target. So this is the Tata Motors. So this is Radico Khaitan. So how to trade tomorrow this stock? If you see the structure of the chart, see, this is the small drop, decent up move, the doji, and doji has given a breakout on the upside. And if you see the supply, this supply surpassed here, and this gap is the supply. If you are holding a positional, you can hold up to 380 kind of levels where you can take out your profits. For tomorrow, only for intraday, how to trade, we'll see now. This is the Radico Khaitan. See, today in the last hours it has given a decent rally. So tomorrow, for any chance if comes or any small correction, that can be bought. So this area will give some support. So somewhere around 353 kind of levels. So entry should be somewhere here. You can keep here 53 and stop below this candle. So is a we can entry point should be better, have a low in between, so middle of the zone, and stop loss is around 5 rupees, and keep a target of here. This is the target. So that way we can trade a Radico Khaitan for tomorrow intraday. So we discussed about 4 stocks for tomorrow: JSW Steel, Tata Motor, Balakrishna Industries, and Radico Khaitan. Right. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.